Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do side quests in Expedition 33. Side quests in Expedition 33 are usually obtained by speaking with NPCs in hub areas or discovering optional objectives while exploring. These quests are not required for story progression, but offer valuable rewards and even some world building. Do keep in mind that the quests in this game can be quite hard to track. For example, one of the longer side quests would be to help the white Nevrons that are neutral. One of the earliest examples of these guys would be the small Burgeon quest, where you just retrieve a piece of a big Burgeon to satisfy his own quest line. That is also a part of an even bigger line of quests. Or the missing gestural children that are hidden everywhere in the world map. There's even the gestural beach challenges that will test your patience. Even the small quiz side quest that can reward you with Pictos. There's no in-game quest list that help with tracking these quests, so just be sure to keep a list of it on your notes to remember them. Completing side quests often grants rare materials, equipment, or currency that can significantly strengthen your party. Some side quests may also unlock hidden encounters or unique story moments, making them worth completing whenever possible. One of the best side quests are the ones you unlock when you reach maximum relationship level with the other expeditioners. And that's how to do side quests in Expedition 33.